I just moved to Ireland, and I left my scientific calculator behind. So I was pleasantly surprised to see that there have been many updates to the range of calculators available, including some pretty nice color choices. I picked up this beautiful retro beige color fx-83GT, which is not a graphing calculator, so it can be used for GCSE exams. The keys are pretty clicky, considering that this is designed to be quiet. And I'm glad they added a slightly more graphical UI to bring calculators into the 21st century. The close-up pattern on the front is really nice to look at and makes me feel like I want to use this calculator. Great design. Other than the packaging, which was hard to open, and the case on the back being a bit loose, I'm really happy with this purchase. It's definitely a piece of tech I'd want to keep lying around. Let me know if you'd like to see similar videos in the future, and hit that subscribe button.